wanted to teach a new technique. This is called the speed wall tower technique. For this, we take two dominoes and we keep them far, and then we take a domino and keep them like this. If they are not matching, we have to keep them, and then we keep the domino on it. We can keep on build like this, but only we should build only till 5. So this is called the speed wall tower technique. So the max is 5. After that, if we build, it falls. If we want, we can keep this. So let's stop at it. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Thank you.